How many times have you guys seen a product advertisement and you think to yourself, yeah, right, as if this is gonna happen? Today, we're gonna put this product to the test. So I've got a brand new multi-apartment Akuvox. We're gonna smash it with a sledgehammer to see what they're presenting is actually true or not. So let's go. So let's plug this in. So I'm gonna plug this in. Alright guys, I've only got one shot at this. So let's see if this actually withstand a sledgehammer or would it break. So let's get this booted up. Alright, so it's not gonna be a small tap guys. I'm gonna, okay, so count 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, let's have a look.
To call, please
So you
enter
can
the
see,
number and
still works.
PIN.
Bit of a dust mark. Reception. Perfect. Still works.
To call, please enter the number and